Hello students, welcome to SMA learning classes. Today we will learn the chapter last lesson. Students, before I start, I'd like to request all of you, please practice at home, please study at home, and please go through all videos uploaded by your school, your faculty. What is happening, students? Sometimes you start studying and just after watching for 2-3 minutes you leave it. Are you getting benefited? Not at all, children. This is for you. We are running pillar to post in order to send you maximum. We want to give you maximum from our end. It is up to you how much you are gaining. It is up to you, children. Now it's high time to study because the time is rolling very fast. You will never get back these moments again. Students, today we have a new chapter, the last lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet, a French novelist. Actually, Alphonse Daudet was a French novelist, but before that he was a teacher, a school teacher, but later on he became a journalist, and only then he started working in the field of literature. Actually, the current chapter is a set of a war, the war between France and Prussia. Prussia was the combination of three countries. Who are these three countries? Poland, Germany, and few parts of Austria. These three countries, they combined together, and these three countries, it means Prussia, it was led by who? Bismarck, and they defeated France. These three countries, Germany, Poland, and few parts of Austria, commonly known as Prussia, they defeated France. They captured two districts of France, and they were Alsace and Lorraine. Then what happened? When Alsace and Lorraine, these two districts, they became the slave of Prussia. After that, an order that came from Berlin. Berlin was capital of Germany. Later, an order came from Berlin, and in that order it was mentioned there will be no teaching of French language from the very next day. The teachers will teach what? German only. Now, what was the reaction? What was the reaction of teachers? What was the reaction of people? This is what we will study here in this chapter. Students, we will start line by line. See, I started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of a scolding, especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participle. Actually, the narrator is a student. He is a student of France. So, was the central character here? Who is narrator? Narrator is a boy, a student, and he was on his way to his school and he is becoming late. Here he is becoming late. He was in great dread of scolding. Why? What do you mean by great dread of a scolding? It means he was very much afraid of being scolded by his teacher. The boy was very much afraid because he will get scolded by his teacher. So here he was getting late. He was afraid. Especially the reason was M. Hamel, his teacher, had said, has asked the students, he has given homework probably, and he has asked that he would question them on what? On participle. Probably the boy didn't do his homework, and that's why he was very afraid. It's happening with you students also. Sometimes you are not doing homework, and sometimes you are praying to Almighty Bhagwan as teacher ko school nahi bhejna. It's happening with you. The teacher will ask questions, he will give you punishment if you are not doing your homework. The same is happening with this boy also, that he didn't do his homework, he was not knowing anything about participle, and he got late also on that day. He was on his way, that's why he was afraid. What was the name of the teacher? and Hamal, and I didn't know the first word about them. Of course, he was not knowing about participle. That's why he was very afraid. For a moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. Out of doors means what? In open field, in open area, just enjoying and playing in the lap of nature. So for a few moments he thought about what? He was thinking about going outside, enjoying the moment in open field. He didn't want to stay at home, he didn't want to go to school even, like any other child. It was so warm outside, so bright. Bright, it was sunny. The birds were chirping at the edge. Edge means what, students? Students, whenever I am giving you word meanings, you just jot down then and there in your copy so that you will understand. Edge means what? Brink. Brink means kinara. So, birds were chirping. Brink, B-R-I-N-K, students, the spelling is. The birds were chirping at the edge of woods. Woods means what here? Woods means you can say forest, trees, dense trees. So here it's telling that what is attracting him? The chirping of birds. Another thing is there, the warm day and in open field back of the sawmill. What do you mean by sawmill? The mill of the mill where woods are cut. चिरान मशीन सुना होगा, आरा मशीन सुना होगा, जहाँ लकड़ियाँ काटते हैं, that is called sawmill. The Prussian soldiers were drilling. Prussian soldiers, it means soldiers from Germany, Poland and few parts of Austria, and they were drilling. Drilling means what? Doing exercise. Exercise कर रहे थे. It was all much more tempting. Tempting means attracting than the rule of participles. Yes, of course, whatever the teacher was about to teach in the class, it was not attracting the boy. What was attracting? What were the things that were attracting him? They were the chirping of birds, woods, the bright day, of course, the sound of sawmill, of course, the Prussian soldiers, they were exercising there. It was almost tempting, almost more tempting, attracting than the teacher's homework and his scolding. But I had the strength to resist myself, to control myself. He gathered all his power to control his all thoughts related to the world outside of the school, and he decided to go to school. So he was on his way. I hope you understood this paragraph, students. The next paragraph. When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd, you know, gathering of people. भीड़ लगी थी. There was a crowd in front of a bulletin board. What do you mean by bulletin board? It means notice board where notices are pasted. Any information about any event. Students, with the word notice, I remember that in last class I have taught you about how to write notice. I hope you are practicing at home. Few of you have sent me on my WhatsApp after practicing. I hope all of you will send one by one. Please do and send me on my WhatsApp so that I will do evaluation work. I will correct it and I will guide you how to improve it more and more in order to score more marks. Now you see, children, so bulletin board was there, crowd was there also. Now the boy became afraid. What is the reason? What is the reason behind this crowd? What is pasted there on the notice board? Is there any order? Because war was going on and that country became, that district of, those districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, they were captured by whom? Germany, Prussia and Poland and Austria, and collectively known as Prussia. For the last 2 years, all our bad news had come from there. Yes, of course, from Germany, from Berlin, the lost battles. And what they were getting? The news about their lost battles, the drafts, the orders of commanding officers, and orders were coming on that and these orders were pasted on bulletin board. And I thought to myself, without stopping, what can be the matter now? Now he was thinking, what would be the matter? What is going to be happen next? He was just afraid. Now see what happened, students. Then, as I hurried, who is I here? The boy, the student, the French boy. Then as I hurried, moving very fast, by as fast as I could go. The blacksmith, the person who does iron work, luhar jo hota hai, his name was Vachir, who was there with his apprentice. What do you mean by apprentice? It means learner. Learner, you know, प्रशिक्षु जो होते हैं, प्रशिक्षण प्राप्त करते हैं. मैकेनिक्स को देखा होगा ना, मोटर मैकेनिक्स को, उसके अंदर गैरेज होता है, मोटर मैकेनिक्स आर वर्किंग देयर एंड लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर देयर हु आर स्टडीइंग, हु आर लर्निंग हाउ टू वर्क. Similarly, apprentice is there reading the bulletin, and people gathered there. Among them, the blacksmith was there, his brother was there, called after me. And when blacksmith saw the boy, he told, don't go so fast, Bob. You will get to your school in plenty of time. He is telling, there is no need to run, boy. You have enough time. You can stay, you can see what is going on. What is the need? Why are you so much in hurry? So what happened to the boy now? See, I thought he was making fun of me. Now what happened to boy? The boy was thinking that this blacksmith is making fun of mine, because I am on the way to my school and he is asking, don't, where you wait, why are you running, why are you so much in hurry? And reached M. Hamel's little garden all out of breath. And then I started running and finally I reached to my teacher's garden. Means I reached to my school. What is the name of the teacher, students? The name of teacher is Mr. M. Hamel. So finally the boy, the student, reached to the class. Usually means what, the students? Usually means generally. When school began, there was a great bustle. Bustle means hustle and bustle, noise. Students, of late, we remember you. We remember your noise. Sometimes we used to scold you. Oh, be silent. Don't disturb the class. Don't make noise. So many instructions are coming from our side. But it means the hustle and bustle. Today we are recalling the days. Because of pandemic, you all are there at home. We are also there. But in spite of it, we are trying very hard to teach you. Students, you go through every line, every word, whatever taught by your teacher, which could be heard out in the street. The opening and closing of desk you are doing also. Whenever you are having your classes, you used to open and close desk and pushing and pulling desks and benches, making sound. The noises are there. Lessons repeated in unison. Unison means what? एक स्वर में, simultaneously, very loud, with our hands over our ears to understand better. Sometimes it's happening that 5-10 people are talking collectively, making sound, and nobody is able to understand that what the another person is telling. The same situation you are creating while you are in this room. And the teacher's great ruler, you know, rapping on the table. Rapping means tapping on the table. So these all sounds were created in usual days. But on that day, was it happening? You see. But now it was also still. It was so much calm. What is the reason? It was so much quiet. What is the reason? Because the school was going on. Teacher was there. Students were there. Then what is the reason? The boy was thinking. He was already late. I had counted on the commotion to get to my desk without being seen, and the boy tried his best to reach to his place without being recognized or seen by his teacher or any student. But of course, that day everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. Generally on Sunday morning, what was happening? Generally on Sunday, we never used to come to school. Everything is still. No sound is coming out from the school. The same was happening, and on that day when the boy reached, he found the same silence there in the school. It seems that the day was Sunday morning. Through the window, I saw my classmates already in their places. He found his other classmates, they were there at their places, they were sitting, enjoying the teaching. And M. Hamill, the teacher, walking up and down with his terrible iron ruler under his arms. So the teacher was there, he was pacing there inside of the class, walking there inside of the class with his ruler. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. Now he knew that in front of everybody, before everybody he has to go, he has to sit at his place. You can imagine how blessed and how frightened I was. And you can imagine whenever you are getting late, you can imagine the situation, students. He blushed, he turned red because he was feeling ashamed because of being late. He turned red, he was blushed and he was frightened also at that moment. That's all for today, students. I hope you understand, you got what meanings. Students, practice note making. You do practice note making, notice writing, formal and informal letter. They are very important to you, students. In next class, we will go through the remaining parts of the chapter. Students, we have our channel, you know, you are enjoying it, you are studying with the help of it, but you should subscribe it so that whenever a new video is uploaded there, you will get it immediately, you will get informed, and then you will start studying without any obstacle. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.